Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced not working. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update and update your operating system if there is an update. And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to Steam, go to Enhanced, GTA 5 Enhanced Properties, and then install files and verify integrity of the game files and look after that if the problem persists or not. Next thing what we need to do here is to completely close Rockstar on Task Manager. Should be no Rockstar tasks left. Then what we need to do here is to look for Rockstar Games Launcher, right click on it, open file location, then you need to right click again, open file location again, and then you should see here an install thing. So you just need to scroll down until you see an install exe, or simply on search, just write an install and double click on it, press yes. And then as you can see here, you will be getting this window here, and make sure you do not select this option here. You can select this. And then you need to wait until it's uninstalled. After uninstalled, go to documents. So just open up File Explorer, go to documents here, and then here you need to delete few folders. So you need to go to Rockstar Games, then delete Social Club, and delete launcher folders here. Okay, try again. And currently my game is uninstalling, so I cannot delete this folder, but you should be able to do so. Then what you need to do here, you need to go to, again, File Explorer. Then you need to go to your PC, then double click on disk C. And then on disk C, you should see under the program files some folders. So the first one is Rockstar Games, delete this folder. Then look for Social Club. If there is a Social Club folder for you here, and delete the folder as well, then go to program files x86, and then here delete Social Club folder if it is available here. And then after you uninstall Rockstar Games, just do not select that all the titles will be installed, just press close and Rockstar Games Launcher will be installed. Then you just need to open a browser, go to rockstargames.com, and then you just need to select this option here, get launcher, and then download launcher for Windows. And then what you need to do here after launcher is downloaded, you just need to click on it. And then you just need to reinstall that particular launcher like this, and then wait until it's done. Restart your computer and you should be able to run GTA 5 Enhanced. So yeah, that's basically it.